Hello there. Welcome to the Brainy Brats Vocabulary Masterclass. It is Roald Dahl's birthday on the 13th of September, and he's undoubtedly one of our favorite authors. Hence, we decided to teach you some words in honor of this marvelous author. Are you ready to expand your lexicon? Let's get started. Our first word is dauntless. Repeat after me. Dauntless. A dauntless person is brave and not easily frightened. Let's now understand how to use this adjective. Matilda is a dauntless little girl with superpowers who isn't scared of the fearsome Miss Trunchbull. Our second word is genial. Repeat after me. Genial. A genial person is kind and friendly. Let's explore the usage of this adjective. The BFG is truly a genial giant who tries his best to make the little orphan Sophie feel comfortable in his home. Our next word is inventive. Repeat after me. Inventive. An inventive person is very good at thinking of new and original ideas. Let's use this adjective in a sentence. Willy Wonka, an inventive man, shows his amazing chocolatey creations to the 5 children he has invited to his fantastic factory. Our last word is despicable. Repeat after me. Despicable. A despicable person is nasty, cruel, or evil. Let's grasp the application of this adjective. The Grand High Witch is a despicable character who disguises herself as a woman and plans to transform children into mice. I hope you enjoyed this special vocabulary masterclass. See you next week.